watch on her hand. Remembers when she had everything. One day she will again. I heard the sound, saw the flashing light. Watched the day turn into night. And through it all, we've been thrown in the fire. We've been lost in the flame, but we will rise from the ashes again. All odds have been broken. We've been burned by the flame, but we will rise from the ashes again. You were all that I have, everything that I need. You're the one that I run to, everything I believe. You are all that I have, everything that I need. You're the one that I run to, everything I believe. I believe. Through it all, we've been thrown in the fire. We've been lost in the flame, but we will rise from the ashes again. All odds have been broken. We've been burned by the flame, but we will rise from the ashes again.
I have like a
This at my house.
yeah, I have a Matchbox version.
No, I could drive it though. It's a mini one of these.
Huh?
Do you want to see it?
Not right now, but like definitely
Like later?
later. Yeah. Look at the machine gun on that thing,
There's
bro.
one sticking out the window.
Oh my gosh, dude. Are those real
bullets?
rounds?
Hey, look, remove before flight. I have one of those. Yeah, I got one on my dirt bike.
Dude, they said that like the interiors for Hummers were small, but like I did not think that they were this small.
Whose car is this?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Dude, look at these
Dude,
doors
there's a
though.
gun right there. That's an M4A1 right
Wait,
there.
I don't see anything.
M4. Do you not see it?
Oh my god, I didn't even see
M4A1.
that.
Hey, look at it.
There's a gun right there.
Where?
This thing is loaded up
Where's
to
the gun? I don't know.
It's right there. The barrel's right there. I
That's
didn't
a
even see
gun?
it. Yes. Look down. It's a. Look at the tires, bro. Dylan, how? Oh my gosh, there's another machine gun.
What kind of?
This thing is loaded up to the ears.
Do they use these in
Oh
war?
my gosh.
Do they use these in war?
No, they use them for protests. Yes, they use them for war.
You said an anti what?
Anti-air or anti-tank?
It's not an AA gun.
How big do you think this engine is? I'd say at least a V12.
It has to be.
How much do you think this thing weighs?
6 tons?
And to think that you'd see these things flying around in the movies, getting tipped over by the Hulk and stuff. Like, that's insane. Look at this.
Wait, mushrooms? Mushrooms?
Dude, there is way too much to look at here. We're not buying it. Like, okay. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Hey, Michael.
What? Oh, yeah, because somebody's gonna buy that.
How much is it?
I don't know.
That's what I
Saw
was
it.
talking about earlier. We saw that one at the show. Like that
No, we didn't. Ooh.
Nobody in the Lambo. Chill out. Dylan. Yo, Dylan, Michael.
What? Say Evo.
Parking ticket.
What? Word? Oh my gosh. Lambo got a parking ticket, bro. It's a Huracan Evo.
Phone, I'll take something.
It was just like you when I was your age.
Oh my gosh, this thing is
highlight of my life.
insane. I know.
Yeah, let me take some pictures from my store is gonna be dead.
We are inside a Lamborghini Urus right now. This is the sickest vehicle I've ever been inside in my entire life. Look at that. Yes. Look at that. Look at, oh my gosh, look at the inside. Do you think the steering wheel comes off? Inside's really dirty.
Look at that.
Inside's hella dirty, but like, dang.
It's a nice car.
I know, bro. Oh my god, I didn't even see all this. Look at that. This is a nice car right here.